Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to do is we're going to create a histogram. And I tend to use histograms a lot. And the reason why is because whenever I work on a Kaggle project, I normally do a histogram of the target at the very least. So histograms are something that you need to learn how to do. And then so we're going to be using two libraries, being the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and numpy as NP. So matplotlib is your visualization library, and numpy is your library that performs numeric computations. So the first thing we want to do is we want to set up our data. So we're going to set our seed as being np.random.seed10. And so what that does is that sets up the seed. So every time you run the program, it will initialize with the same data. And now we want to set up our data. So np.random.normal brackets 50, 15, 1000. So what you're going to do is you're going to have a mean of 50 and 1000 samples of the normal distribution, and they're going to be random numbers in this 1000 samples. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a histogram. So plt.hist brackets data, comma, bins equals 30, so that means you're going to have 30 little rectangles in the histogram. Color equals sky blue, and edge color equals black. And now what you do is you add your title and your labels. So the title is histogram example, your X label is value, and your Y label is frequency, and we're going to display it. So I use histograms a lot, and so this is a normal distribution, and it's 1000 samples of a normal distribution. And as you can see, it's a really large histogram. So it's difficult to get the whole histogram on the sheet, but you can see here that you've got your histogram on the sheet. And so histograms are really good for statistics because they help you see what the distribution is. And so, as I said, I use histograms a lot whenever I do a Kaggle competition. So that concludes this video on histograms. And the next video, I will be doing something with regard to visualization as well. So I look forward to communicating with you then.